My name's Demi, I'm 28 and I have travelled from Australia to Istanbul to see Dr. Sedat for a mummy makeover. So I had the 360 lipo with a tummy tuck along with a breast lift and augmentation, and I could not be happier with my result. From the beginning, Pinar was super amazing with just organising everything and really easy to plan the whole process, which was amazing. And Dr. Sedat has been absolutely fantastic. He has a really high expertise in what he does, and I am thrilled with the result. I started following Dr. Sedat on Instagram and looked up a bunch of reviews, and couldn't fault anything that I saw, and I absolutely love his result photos, and that's why I ultimately decided to go with Dr. Sedat. After our first video call, he really put my mind at ease. I didn't really have any questions to ask him because, I had a bunch of questions to ask him, but I didn't have to ask him because he answered them all for me within that video consult. So that was sort of my decider. Thank you so much to Dr. Sedat. I am incredibly happy with my result.